Ayia Napa Monastery has an amazing history of origin. Initially, there was a forest cave in which believers hid the miraculous icon of the Holy Mother of God. Presumably, this happened in the 8th century, when the period of iconoclasm began in the Roman Empire. Hundreds of years later, a hunter accidentally found this icon in an overgrown cave. The icon and the area began to be called Panagia Napa, which can be translated as the Holy Mother of God from the forest. Over time, the name was simplified to Ayia Napa. The first written mention of the name Ayia Napa dates back to 1365 when a temple was laid over the cave. A century later, the Venetians found a monastery here. In the 16th century, the monastery was expanded with the money of a rich Venetian woman from Famagusta, who became a nun against her father's will, who forbade her to marry a commoner. Curiously, this Venetian was undoubtedly familiar with the prototypes of Shakespeare's Othello and Desdemona, since they lived in Famagusta at the same time. At present, the reconstruction of the monastery is being completed, and we hope that it will be opened for tourists soon.